these products actually Italian? Ciao tutti! My name is Robert Campana and I'm the founder of the Stop Italian Sounding movement. Together with I Love Italian Food, we created this video course on the Italian sounding phenomenon. Italian sounding is a deceiving phenomenon that uses Italian colors, geographical references, image, and words on food and beverage packaging to induce the consumer into erroneously associating the local product with the Italian one. Let's take a look at some examples. The first example we have is Asiago. And we could see an exaggerated Italianness with the Italian flag, the Italian writing, of course, with the American flag, because it's not Italian. The word Belgioioso, which is the company's name, the name Asiago, and so on and so forth. It is an exaggerated form of Italianness. The next example we have is Parmesan. And just like Asiago, we see an exaggerated form of Italianness. Again, the Italian flag, the Italian writing, Belgioioso, the name Parmesan, and in this case, a crown, which is making reference to the king of cheeses, which it clearly is not. Next, we have an example of Italian sounding San Marzano. And in this case, this company actually tried to move Italy to California. Clearly not Italian. And last but not least, for our examples, we have Pepperoni. Pepperoni is actually an American invention. However, they decided to try and make it Italian. We see the Italian flag. We see the word margherita. We see the writing Pepperoni, which makes you think of the word peperone in Italian, which means bell pepper. And finally, we see a reference to the Duomo in Pisa and the Leaning Tower. If this were to imitate an Italian product, it probably would imitate the salsiccia piccante napoletana or the soppressata calabrese. Now, one may ask the question, is this deceiving phenomenon legal or illegal? Well, Italian sounding is not illegal because it doesn't damage the intellectual property rights in countries outside of Italy. If these IP rights were actually damaged, it would be a form of agri-piracy. In this case, it's not. It's just very deceiving. So you may be asking yourself, what is the actual value of Italian sounding? Well, according to the Italian Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the value of Italian sounding ranges between 60 to 100 billion euros per year. Now, it's kind of hard to estimate because of a lack of transparency from countries around the world, but if we were to compare that to what Italy exports in terms of food products on a yearly basis, Italy exports about 40 billion euros. So we compare 60 to 100 billion euros of Italian-sounding products to 40 billion euros of what Italy exports in terms of food products. That's about double, even more. So it's a phenomenon that actually hurts the small producers in Italy, and in many cases, these producers have been making Italian products for centuries. Anyway, I'm going to end with a question, and the question that I typically get about Italian sounding is, what point of view do I take when determining Italian sounding? And the point of view is that since these products are making reference to Italy through the use of colors, names, words, and geographical references, I have to take the Italian point of view because these products are claiming to be something that they fundamentally are not. So anyway, I thank you for watching, and grazie mille a tutti.